Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. So as usual, let us do the post market analysis for 3rd August very quickly. So yesterday I had mentioned about this, or day before yesterday, about this trend line on 30 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, that this was one big resistance trend line and market was supposed to be in a downtrend, and it tried to recover from 28th. Since 20th July it is trying to recover, and it is showing a bullish movement. So what we saw yesterday, what we can see from this section, that this resistance line was broken with a gap up opening, and it came down to fill this gap and bounced back to continue its bullish movement. Okay, this was one point. Second point was the no trade zone that I have marked. You might have seen, usually I marked no trade zone between round figure levels, that is 34,100 to 200, but this was bit odd. Okay, and we also had a strong resistance zone. So what I suggested yesterday was, as this was the continuation of the bullish movement, if a user wants, or if anyone wants to go on the buying side, so he should go from this particular level, 34,850 level. Above this level, if market goes or crosses this level, then you should go for buy. So let us see how market behaved today. So what we can see, market opened almost flat. Okay, and it took the support of this particular resistance, support line. So we can see 1 2 3, and this is the fourth time market took the support, and it went into a sideways zone or into a no trade zone. You can see clearly over here, and once it broke this no trade zone around 850 levels, then we saw a good momentum. It faced some resistance of this stronger resistance level 35,000, but later we can see we got a big bullish moment and it went to touch 35,200. Okay, so this was in short about post market analysis. You need to do the post market analysis to correct your mistakes and follow the good practices or good trades. Okay, let us see what do we have our intraday levels for tomorrow, that is 4th August. So strong support is at 34,500. Next stronger support is at 35,000. Strong resistance is at 35,500. Another strong resistance is at 36,000. Okay, so we can see the support is being shifting from bottom level to one level above. So we can see a strong support zone between 34,700 to 800. So if you remember, I had mentioned in my one of the previous videos that this particular zone was a sideways market, and what we can say, we can see a dirty patch of this Bank Nifty from 34,600 to 800. The market was going into the sideways in this particular zone. So finally we saw yesterday it crossed this zone. Today it crossed this zone and we saw a good bullish movement. So now this particular zone has become a strong support zone. At the top we have a good resistance zone between 35,700 to 800. Now the most important point is no trade zone. So tomorrow 35,200 would be a crucial level. Okay, considering market's opening, because just you can see in 15 minutes time frame market has just closed to that particular level. So neither it is acting as a support nor it is acting as a resistance. We cannot predict. So don't be in a hurry to take trade. Let the market open and show its move. So let us consider as usual how to take the trades based on market opening. So if it opens gap up 50 60 points or 100 points at least, then we may see a downfall or a resistance from 35,300 levels. To show you, just you need to check this particular thing, where we can see after filling the gap market fall down quickly from this particular level as well. Okay, so that we can see if this level is crossed, then we can see the movement from 35,300 to 35,500. So 35,500 being the strong resistance level, we can see a downfall, and later we can see a bounce back as well, taking the support of this trend line. So if market opens flat, that is between this no trade zone, then do not enter into the trade. Let it either break 35,300 or below 35,200. So when I'm saying this level, add at least 10 or 15 points buffer on both the sides, and then take the trade. Okay, so if it breaks this support line, then we can see or you can go for a short sell from this particular level to 35,000 level, where we can see a bounce back, as this has become now the strong support level. Okay, so in case if there is a bad news or something in the second half, and eventually if market is trading in the sideways and it is over here, then we can even see a breakdown of this particular level and come to this level 34,700 to 800, and we can see a bounce back. So this is the strong support level, support zone. This is the strongest support level. And one more thing to consider is the trend line. You can see I have marked market has been taking support of this trend line at least 3 times, so more possibility of breaking the support when it comes near to this particular trend line. Also, the inclination of market, that is the angle of climbing of price, is bit more than usual, so more possible we can see a small correction and then an upward movement. Okay, so this was in short regarding Bank Nifty intraday analysis and levels for 4th August. So I hope you like my analysis. Please hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel to get the daily analysis. Thank you.